Transitioning back to school will have its challenges, like keeping children's personal supplies separated in order to minimize the sharing of materials. But stay tuned for some tips and tricks on how to make that return to school fun, easy, and safe. Hi teachers, it's Stacy with Lakeshore Learning. How about making the return to your classroom easy by creating personal learning bins for your children? It's an all-in-one solution that not only helps to keep them organized, but it reduces the sharing of those high-touched materials. Here are a few suggestions on how you can create personal learning bins for each of the children in your classroom. When creating a personalized learning bin for each of your children, your first step is to decide what you'll use to hold their supplies. Since it will be filled with everything from folders, journals, writing utensils, and scissors, you'll need to be sure that you select something durable and easy for the child to carry and keep clean. Some suggestions may include plastic bins, trays, and baskets, or even a small crate or tote bag. Other options to consider are large self-closing bags or storage pouches. Next, select the materials that need to go into the personal learning bins. Remember to include materials that children usually share among one another, along with materials that are used daily. Some suggestions may include pencils, crayons, glue sticks, and scissors, along with any math manipulatives such as linking cubes and counters. You may even want to include a small package of wipes or hand sanitizer. And finally, don't forget to label each personal learning bin with the child's name. This helps to ensure each child is using the materials that are designated for themselves, as well as keeping the bins from getting mixed up. Be sure you take the time to set expectations on how the children should clean up and put away their personal learning bins, as well as the procedure for collecting them in the morning and returning them at the end of the day. Personal learning bins are a great solution that still allow our children to have access to the materials they need, yet they don't have to share with each other. Plus, personal learning bins are easy to put together, they help to keep our children organized, and they hold them responsible for their own materials. So what do you think? Aren't personal learning bins a great solution for our children who are returning to the classroom? We'd love to hear your comments below on today's tips and tricks, as well as have you subscribe to our channel. And to all of our educators, we would like to thank you not only for all of your time and patience with our children, but for being such amazing teachers. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.